So yesterday was a really fun day. I had a fun trip too. Came home, was tired. I did a bit of a filming, but so my trip of yesterday's was meant to be a start of a new project, more or less, and here it is. I guess it makes me a bit happy, but I have some corn. In any case, here is something that I got in the trunk of this car, and I'm going to put it down here. And it's a 6-speed manual transmission for E90 BMW. The difference is between a manual and automatic is that there it is. I wonder how many pounds I'm going to save by swapping the transmission. So this one is not that heavy at all, actually. So that's the difference between those transmissions. So I guess this is going to be part one of this project. So the transmission is actually the centerpiece of this of a transmission swap project, naturally, and I will have to have the rest of the parts, of course, before it makes sense to actually start doing anything on the car. Well, I decided not to really do anything crazy and start with transmission that actually comes with N52 engine originally, and I guess go from there. If anything happens, things can always be upgraded. It's a Getrag 6-speed. I have a rear mount brace still attached, and even transmission mounts are still alive. I have a slave clutch with the tube. My only concern is this output flange seal that I may want to replace. What else? I don't know. I cannot really think of anything else. I'm assuming this one has no fluid in it. That will have to be verified. I really hope it shifts, but I cannot really do anything. Well, there you go. Got my hands dirty for no reason. And the last thing about this transmission that I kind of almost forgot to mention is this end. So I guess there isn't much to really say about this end of the transmission. All these parts are well, not all of them, but throwout bearing is going to be replaced. The clutch fork is going to be removed and cleaned. The clutch slave cylinder is going to be dismantled and cleaned, and the bell housing, the inside of the bell housing is going to be cleaned, and that's pretty much all that I can think of. So that's the corn that I was talking about. Well, it's going to be fun, for sure.